Okay, take two. How do we set this radio up? Well, perhaps one of the easiest ways to get lost is this band select knob. And we've got lots and lots of frequencies, but there's only one that we really care about. Band D, 271850. That's channel 19 on the CB band. There's buttons right here. You got a 10 kilohertz button that'll throw you off, and you'll be one channel off compared to 19. So make sure that switch is right there in the middle. Of course, you can go into VFO mode, but most people don't need that. Just leave this one right in the middle. This one, Vox, leave it turned all the way counterclockwise. And this does have a clarifier control. And if you get that wrong, it'll definitely throw your frequency off. Remember this number, 271850. Now, you might want to read the book about program. Roger Beep is also programmable too, but leave this in the right middle. That's what most people need. You got your echo control here. This controls how fast it repeats, and this controls how much echo I actually have. And how in the world can I do this with two hands? I can't. Now the other thing about this is you combination, use this one right here as your talkback control. Hello, audio. Now we can hear the talkback. And we can turn this up some. Hello, audio. And you can hear a little bit of echo right there. If you want to extend it out. Hello, audio. If you want a little bit less echo, turn that one down some. Hello, audio. Test 1, 2. Hey, hey, hey. Usually lose all you need. Now you do have an RF power control over here. I usually say just leave it all the way up as long as the radio's set up right, and it should work just fine. Although if you watch the power thing right here, it's going to say up there somewhere around 12 to 15 watts out of this radio. And you can turn it way down to drive an amplifier if you want to. Although you do have to worry about peak swing too and what kind of amp you're driving it into. Volume and squelch is self-explanatory. There's a little switch down here. Leave it on AM. Don't use FM. FM's for frequency modulation, which most people don't use. AM's amplitude modulation is what most CBers use. Now it does have a dimmer in here too. Oh, look at that, lights up dim. Now if you turn the channel knob, I bet, you can set the brightness and dimness of the display. Of course, you also have a color, and you can choose different colors. So you can choose the color you want. Automatic noise limiter, noise blanker. Doesn't hurt anything to try to take out some types of noise by trying that switch there. And high cut. Listen to the receive. Hear higher pitched receive. It cuts out the high frequency response. RF gain. I'm sure we all know what RF gain is, and you got your mic gain too. Like I said, leave the variable all the way up with the power. Hello, audio. Test 1, 2, test 1, 2. And there's a lot of more stuff in the book if you want to read it, but this is the basics. Watch out for that Vox. Leave that off. It'll cause unnecessary delay on your transmit sometimes on keying.